On November 25th, 2022, an officer attempted to stop a motorcycle that was not displaying a license plate. It is common for stolen motorcycles and violent fugitives to remove license plates to evade capture by police. The biker then took advantage of the motorcycle's agility, made a quick U-turn, and managed to escape the officer. August 18th, 2024, a trooper observed a silver Lexus passenger car traveling at a high rate of speed eastbound on Interstate 40. The trooper activated his front opposite direction radar, which clocked the vehicle at 116 miles per hour in a 75 miles per hour zone. He immediately activated his emergency lights and siren to pursue the reckless driver. In his attempt to catch up, the trooper reached speeds of up to 134 miles per hour.
Maybe get some fractures now. Eleven, where you at? .78 eastbound or westbound? Up here at 78.
The reckless driver lost control of the vehicle, veering into the grassy median. The vehicle overturned approximately 15 times before colliding with the cable barriers in the median and crossing into the westbound lanes. The vehicle ultimately came to a stop upside down on the north side of Interstate 40.
Hey, can you hear me? Can you get that door open, Elgin? I just confirmed. Hey, I don't see him. Did he get ejected? I lost my radio.
Troopers found the driver, later identified as Kendall Jewett, roughly 30 yards east of the overturned vehicle. When Trooper attempted to communicate with Jewett, he was unresponsive. Jewett had also sustained severe leg injuries from being ejected from the vehicle. On August 25th, 2024, Trooper observed a black BMW passenger car traveling ahead at a speed faster than the surrounding traffic. He activated his front radar antenna and initially recorded the vehicle's speed at 88 miles per hour, which then increased to 91 miles per hour in a posted 65 miles per hour zone.
Black BMW was 88.
30.
30 North, taking Cantrell. Adam Victor Sam, 92 Frank. Maybe.
The vehicle came to a stop in the number 2 lane at a traffic light. Trooper exited his patrol car to make contact with the driver and obtain their driver's license. However, as he approached the rear of the vehicle, it suddenly fled the stop, turning east onto Cantrell Road. Trooper executed a TVI on Wendy Lane at Hinson Road, causing the suspect's vehicle to spin and stop. The driver then grabbed a black backpack and fled west on Hinson Road.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Look at me! Let me see your hands!
The homeowner and his family directed troopers to the suspect, who was lying down in the hallway. The suspect was taken into custody and identified as J. Frederick Braswell. On August 24th, 2024, a trooper observed a speeding car and immediately initiated a pursuit. After a brief pursuit, the officer caught up with the suspect and executed a TVI, which led to the suspect crashing into another vehicle and sustaining a broken leg.
TVI. Show me hands now! Hands!
When the officers approached the vehicle, they observed that the suspect had a broken leg and proceeded to arrest the passenger.
Lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Put your hands behind your back now. Shut up! If you wouldn't have been running, you wouldn't have to worry about it. Shut up!
The police officers then approached and arrested both the passenger and the driver. They also noticed that the driver's leg was broken.
If you would have been running, you wouldn't have to worry about it in the first place. There's an ambulance coming to check you out. Okay, why are you running? Okay, stop. Either have to remain silent, anything you say can be used against you in court of law. Either have an attorney if you can't afford an attorney, won't be appointed to you, no cost to you. You understand your rights? Okay. Are you tweaking at all?
No,
You ever use meth?
hang on.
Okay.
Oh, goddamn, let's see what it was. Oh,
Your first clue should have probably been to, as soon as that white car with the blue stripes got involved, to stop.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, T.
Troopers then began questioning the driver about why he was fleeing and other related matters.
Card, will you get 1011 started? You did, thank you. Y'all have your information. Huh? Just on the cars, whoever owns the car. Who's the owner of the car?
The green one was my brother's car. Were any other cars hit?
Only these two.
Which two?
I think there was two over here. It'd be fine. I need whoever the owner of each car is.
That'll be my sister.
Troopers searched the suspect's vehicle and placed him under arrest. On August 5th, 2024, a trooper observed a silver Toyota Camry traveling below the posted speed limit. The trooper activated the emergency lights to initiate a traffic stop as the vehicle turned onto Connoidal Court. The vehicle then accelerated quickly into a parking lot, turned around, and headed back toward John Barrow.
Just on the other side of the interstate.
For any new student. That's right, 50% for any new student that enrolls. Student parking lot.
At 70 miles per hour, the trooper performed a TVI, causing the car to spin, go off the road, and roll down a hill into a parking lot.
Hey, passengers! Passengers, put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! I understand you can't get out. I only see one. I can't see any in the back. She's saying she can't get out. I can see both of her hands. She's saying there's no one else. On the center console.
A second occupant, Nisiaya Mason, was also apprehended at the scene. When questioned, both occupants claimed they did not know the driver's identity and stated they were asleep during the incident. The driver fled the scene on foot and could not be located despite assistance from the Little Rock Police Department K-9 unit. A search of the vehicle revealed approximately 5 ounces of marijuana in the back seat next to Mr. Hobbs' seat.
What's your name?
Kenyon Hobbs.
What do you go by? What do you go by?
Ken.
Okay, so here, don't play games with me, bro. How many people were in this car? Because there's nobody else that was in the back seat, so I know you were driving.
I wasn't driving. I was a passenger. I got the back seat. I was a passenger. I got the back seat.
First occupant, Mr. Hobbs, was charged accordingly, and both occupants were transported to local hospitals for treatment. The vehicle was impounded, and the investigation into the driver is ongoing.